In this video, we're going to learn how to use a Morph transition in PowerPoint to create visually appealing slides. Gone are the days of boring and overcrowded slides with large chunks of text that no one bothers to read. On a new slide, click on the Insert tab and click on Picture. You can either select an image saved on your device, online, or from stock images. In this example, I'm going to choose an image from stock images. I'll type the word team in a search window to display different images of people in a team. Once you're happy with your selection, click Insert. In Office 365, the Designer tool will open in the right-hand margin. As I want the image to take up the entire slide, I'll select the relevant design. I'm going to insert a text box and type Meet the Team. Right-click on the thumbnail of the slide and select Duplicate. In order to view and select the thumbnail, make sure you're in normal view. Delete the text box on a duplicate slide. Select the image and copy and paste it onto the same slide. A shortcut key for this is Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste. Click on the image that sits behind. Click on the Picture Format tab and select Color. Select a washed out color from the Recolor section. In this example, I'm going to select Gray Accent Color 3 Light. Position the images so that they are aligned with the faded image positioned behind. Press Ctrl-A on your keyboard to select both images. Increase the size of the images so the focus is on the first person. Drag from any diagonal corner to maintain the proportions. Use the thumbnail to view how it will appear on screen. Once you're happy with the position, deselect both images and this time only click on the image in front. With the front image selected, click on the Picture Format tab. Click on the Crop drop-down arrow and select Crop to Shape. Choose a shape. I'm going to select a diamond. Now click on Crop. Drag the thick black lines of the crop area to frame the first person in the image. Right-click on the thumbnail of the slide and click on Duplicate. Press Ctrl-A on your keyboard to select everything on the slide and reposition the slide to focus on the next person. Click on the crop shape and click on Crop. Drag the crop area to focus on the next person. Repeat these steps for the remaining team members. Duplicate the first slide and move it to the end of the slides by dragging it down. Click on the second slide and insert a text box. I'm going to create placeholders for each team member, which will include their names, title, and a brief description. Copy and paste the text boxes and position on the slides for each team member. Select all of the thumbnail slides. Click on the Transition tab and select Morph. Now click on the slideshow to view the presentation. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more.